Good afternoon, students. Today we will start our fifth part, lesson 16. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American politician. He was the 16th President of the United States. He was born in a poor family in 1809. He spent most of his childhood helping his parents in their farm. Abraham Lincoln had a rough childhood. His mother died when he was a young boy and his family moved many times. Lincoln's estimated time of school totaled to 1 year. There were no textbooks, so Lincoln found paper, tied it together, and created his own sum book. He loved to read and he would walk extremely long distances just to go borrow a book. His favorites included Pilgrim's Progress, Aesop Fables, Life and Memorable Actions of George Washington, and Robinson Crusoe. His lack of education was made up quickly for all the reading he did in his spare time, and he eventually became a well educated man and future president. Lincoln worked a few odd jobs in his youth. He worked on a riverboat, wanted to be a blacksmith, and even run a store. He eventually decided he wanted to study law and become a lawyer. Abraham Lincoln, a self taught lawyer, legislator, and vocal opponent of slavery, was elected 16th President of the United States in November 1860, shortly before the outbreak of the Civil War. For nearly a century, the people and politicians of the northern and southern states had been clashing over the issues that finally led to war. Economic interests, cultural values, the power of the federal government to control the states, and most importantly, slavery in American society. Lincoln is well known for his fight against slavery. In his time, Africans were bought and sold in America as slaves. Slavery is when a person is treated as the property of another person. This person is usually called a slave, with the owner being called a slave master. It often means that slaves are forced to work or else they will be punished by the law or by their master. They were treated badly by their white masters and were called Negroes or blacks. In 1865, Lincoln managed to get a law banning slavery passed in the USA. He was shot dead on 15th April in 1865. During the 20th century, almost all countries made laws forbidding slavery. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says that slavery is wrong. Slavery is now banned by international law. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a great leader and reformer in the United States of America. He was born in Atlanta, Georgia in 1929. He was a leader of the American Civil Rights Movement. He is known for his work against racial discrimination faced by Africans in America. Martin Luther King is famous for leading the American Civil Rights Movement and fighting against discrimination of African Americans in the United States. Martin Luther King organized and led many marches for the voting right of blacks, desegregation, labor rights, and other basic civil rights. Martin Luther King's fight for equality gained a lot of support from blacks. From 1957 till his assassination, King traveled over 6 million miles and spoke over 2,500 times, appearing wherever there was injustice. He led many protests and wrote 5 books and several articles. He was renowned worldwide as the symbolic leader of African Americans. In October 14, 1964, King received the Nobel Peace Prize for combating racial equality through non-violence. Martin Luther King Jr. was shot dead in 1968. That's all for today. Thank you.